嗨，小朋友，今天童老师继续给你讲 The Barbecue。上集说到 Wolf's dad wanted a party. He put up some lights. Wolf helped him. He made a barbecue. Wilma helped him. He lit the fire. Biff's dad helped him. But the fire went out. And the children were hungry. Finally, the barbecue was ready. It began to rain. The children went back to the house. 可是爸爸们下雨都不忘坚守岗位，他们呀很有先见之明，早早的搭起了一个小雨棚。What did they cook? The dads cooked burgers. Burgers 就是汉堡包，他们烤的是中间夹着的牛肉饼。What did Wolf's dad say? Great fire! Good job! The dads were happy. Were the children happy? No! The children were fed up. Fed up 就是受够了。Why were they fed up? Well, they were hungry, they were wet, and they couldn't play outside. Were the moms fed up? No, they were still chatting. How were the burgers? The burgers burned. They were black. Burned 就是烤糊了，烧焦了。How did they taste? Chip 勇敢地尝了一口。What did he say? Yuck, said Chip. Yuck 就是恶心的时候发出的声音。The children were not happy. What about the moms? They were still chatting. 爸爸们没有气馁，继续烤他们的汉堡包。Chip's dad was crying. Why? The smoke made him cry. He couldn't open his eyes. 哎，这个雨棚怎么越来越矮了？压得我们腰都直不起来了。Wolf's dad opened his eyes. What was he looking at? He was looking at the tent. The tent was full of water. 雨棚上啊，全是水，都要把雨棚压垮了。Oh no! 雨棚啊，说不得，一说就垮了。Splash! The fire went out again. The dads got wet. Hooray! Said the children. Why did the children say hooray? 爸爸们被淋成落汤鸡了，他们居然还大声叫好，真是太没心没肺了吧 ？Look what the children were. They were in a restaurant. 他们在一个餐厅里呢。What were they doing? They were eating burgers. Yummy! That's why they said, Hooray! What were the dads doing? They were buying the burgers. 爸爸在掏钱买汉堡包呢。这可比生火自己烧烤要容易多了。What about the moms? Oh dear. They were still chatting.
本节目由喜马拉雅出品，